Earls Way is where I am today. It's a mid-terrace, 2-bedroom property, built in probably the 1970s. There's a whole row of property here, all very similar. Comes with a garage as well, a single garage which is in a block behind the property. The garden itself here, where I'm standing, is nicely enclosed and is on a couple of levels, and there's some safe concrete steps put in position to take you out to the garage. Inside you've got 2 good sized bedrooms and a bathroom on the first floor, and downstairs you've got a fitted kitchen and a nice spacious lounge. It's electric heating and it's double glazed. If you'd like to find out more, once you've looked at the video, give us a call and we'll arrange a viewing for you. Thank you.